Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the all-new Meta Quest 3. Meta's latest entry into the world of virtual reality is here, and it's packed with some serious upgrades. Let's break down what makes this the most exciting VR headset of 2024. First up, the design. The Meta Quest 3 is sleeker and lighter than its predecessor, the Quest 2. It's got a more streamlined look, making it more comfortable for extended wear. And yes, you can easily see the improvements in how it fits on your face, much more ergonomic. Now, let's talk about performance. The Quest 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen processor. It's fast, responsive, and designed for the future of VR experiences. And don't get me started on the new pancake lenses. The visual clarity, absolutely stunning. With 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye. The resolution has seriously jumped up from the Quest 3. That means everything from gaming to immersive worlds looks sharper, more vibrant, and immersive. Compared to the Quest 3, the difference is clear literally. The Quest 3 isn't just for gaming though, it's also perfect for productivity apps, socializing, and entertainment. With mixed reality capabilities, you can blend your virtual and real worlds seamlessly, making it ideal for tasks beyond gaming. Plus, the new Touch Plus controllers feel even more responsive. And get this, you can also use hand tracking, taking the experience to another level of interaction. Setup is super easy, and the best part, no wires. It's all standalone, so you don't need a PC or console, but if you want more power, you can still link it to your PC for those high-end VR experience. To sum it up, the Meta Quest 3 is a game changer. It's faster, more comfortable, and takes VR to the next level with its incredible display, mixed reality features, and immersive experiences. So, is the Quest 3 worth the upgrade? If you're a VR enthusiast or just looking to dive into the world of virtual reality, the answer is definitely yes. Let me know in the comments what you think of Meta's latest VR headset. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.